Today, I'll show you how to download GCash on PC. First, it is important to know that GCash is mainly a mobile app for Android and iPhone. So, if you are using a Windows PC, you usually cannot install GCash directly like a normal desktop program. The common way to use GCash on a PC is by using an Android emulator. An Android emulator lets your computer run mobile apps, similar to how they work on an Android phone. First, open your browser on your PC. Search for a trusted Android emulator, such as BlueStacks or another well-known emulator. Download the emulator only from its official website. After downloading, open the installer and follow the steps on the screen. Once the emulator is installed, open it. Sign in to the Google Play Store using your Google account. Now search for GCash in the Play Store. Choose the official GCash app and click Install. After the installation is complete, open GCash inside the emulator. Enter your registered GCash mobile number and follow the login steps. You may need to enter an OTP sent to your phone, so make sure your SIM card is active and can receive text messages. After logging in, check if the app works properly. Keep in mind that some GCache features may not work well on an emulator because of security checks, device verification, camera access, or location permissions. For the safest experience, it is still better to use GCache on your own mobile phone. Also, never download fake GCache apps or APK files from unknown websites. Only install the official app from trusted sources. So, to keep it simple, GCache does not usually have a normal PC version. To use it on PC, install a trusted Android emulator, open the Play Store, install GCache, and sign in with your registered mobile number. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.